Welcome to Crystal Valley. Here, crystal and light artistry is dreamt into life. Our tradition and history burns brightly. Feel the heat from the furnace and the passion from our artisans. We understand glass in all its shapes, forms. We breathe it, we shape it, we bring it to life. Touch the materials, discover old sketches, wander with us to discover the exceptional. See how the light was created then and how we do it today. Our Design Lab is a playground, a space with unlimited design possibilities. Explore, discover, experiment, and play with the power of crystal and light. Let your imagination run wild with the options before you. Touch the metals, the fabrics, compare palettes, hold the crystal up to the light to see its sparkle. Let these experiences inspire your designs. Create your one-of-a-kind dream lighting project with us. Here is a unique opportunity for designers to not only bring their lighting visions to life, but to be a close partner throughout the process. Let's create and play with crystal and light.